Yeah. So like, and
and
also I know we had talked about like GameStop.
yeah,
Here's
GameStop,
GameStop on the right. Like if you look
Roaring
at the full
Kitty.
thing,
We had
we had a bull signal
yep.
like before the pump started actually here, and we were tracking this big wedge
Honestly,
which it
if
broke
you
out.
if you follow the whole GameStop stuff, you can see that bull signal happened even before the average cost of deep fucking value, or
Yeah,
Keith bought at I think $23. Our bull
yeah,
signal
exactly.
would have gotten you
He,
in at 16.
yeah, exactly. So way, way, way before he actually like came back on Twitter and Reddit and started
Yeah.
interacting with
So no
people.
doubt he's a very clearly a well like seasoned trader, and like
He
he
probably
understands these
watched this
trends.
same wedge that
Yeah,
we drew
I
out.
would not be surprised. He saw the breakout, and then he decided once the confirmation was in, which would have definitely been that like 17 to 20 range, there is where we're bouncing on that
Exactly.
trends line, where we've basically pushed above the strength band, and then we pulled back down to bounce off of it. That's the SR flip confirmation, and that's
Yeah.
around the time that deep fucking value came back to kind of like tease us with
Yeah.
his $500 million position.
Maybe he has our indicator and he saw the
Hey,
bull signal.
maybe.
Maybe.
Although I think
I
he's
can't
very
confirm or deny
exactly. Yeah, who knows? We'll have to leave that
that.
up as speculation. Although he is also very motivated by fundamental analysis. But
Yeah.
looking at the charts, which is usually how we stick to our price discoveries here, you can see Sid has drawn out. There's a trend line, and
Yeah,
while go on.
yeah, there's a I was gonna say like there's a trend line and it seems to be holding. So even with this crazy volatility, it
Mm-hmm.
seems to still be holding. So until the trend line breaks, I think we still continue up.
Yeah, and there is
And
some fundamental reasons why people are very excited about GameStop,
yeah.
especially around $20. A lot of it has to do with GameStop has a very deep war chest as far as the
Oh,
company's
right.
actual funds.
Yeah.
They have like 4.2 or $4.18 billion in
Oh,
cash.
yeah.
So they have money. Also, the CEO recently, the CEO of GameStop, won his lawsuit against
Mm.
what was it, Bed Bath and Beyond, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Where
he
he,
was awarded I think $16 billion in that
yeah,
suit.
it's
So
crazy amount
the
of money.
company has money,
Yep.
the management has money, and the bet that Keith is making here is not necessarily that there's a short squeeze that's playing out. It's the bet that he's making is that the management of GameStop, using the capital that they have in their war chest, and even potentially personally, are going to be able to capture a transition from the physical gaming industry market into the
Yeah.
digital and esports kind of modern meta of that market. And so maybe they can. I mean, they have a decent management, it seems. They have a lot of money to do this. So maybe. But what
Yeah.
we're going to do is keep following the chart,
We'll keep
and
following the
the
chart.
chart still
We
looks
just
fun. Like this looks
yeah,
worth trading, especially if we're near
what
that
we
trend line.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And what we do is keep buying each
Yeah.
time it falls to the trend line, we start scaling in.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that.
And then
And
it's a fun one to hold because of the whole apes together strong, and there's the
yeah,
meme culture around it. And if you were here 3 years ago messing with the GameStop squeeze, maybe you are nostalgic for that again. And so it is the opportunity to kind of like participate and scratch that nostalgia itch a little bit.
right,
So we'll have to keep an eye on that. But right now, it's still the squeeze and the like bullishness of GameStop still very much in play, and you saw that
right.
trend line still intact.